Alright, so after you get the C-clips put back in, you're going to want to go ahead and remove the mast arm. So go ahead and remove its C-clip, slide the mast arm out, and reinsert it back into the battery box. Alright, so now the trailer is in its physical upright position. The solar panel is up. The sign is now facing the roadway, and now you can go and power everything on. So you're going to flip the two switches. The first one's going to be for the signboard, and then the other one is for the Genetec LPR camera. Alright, so the sign should be powering on now. You'll also see that the camera is starting to power on. You can tell because that green light is starting to blink. It will go solid once it's up and running. At this point, you can go ahead and remove the trailer tongue and store it in the battery box. So simply pull the pin and then remove the tongue. It lays over top of where the mast arm is. Be careful to make sure that the chain for the tongue does not touch any of the contacts of the batteries.